Advance to the house. I'm moving. Yeah, am I blinking? Yeah. Good. You. Let's go.
Hey Airsofters, welcome to another episode of Airsoft Mandalorian. We're playing at RPC Airsoft in Fremont, New Hampshire. This is my first time ever playing here or even being here, so this is pretty exciting. As you can see, it's kind of like, it's actually the end of winter. It's I think we were playing in March, I do believe. One of my good friends was having a birthday. He really wanted to play some Airsoft, and I had just lost my other place to play Airsoft in Barnstead at OSG Paintball. Very unfortunate. The place I used to play through shut down, so I wasn't able to play there anymore. So I found out this place, and I only live about maybe 5-7 minutes away from it, so that's really good. Obviously, since it's my first time, I'm just kind of following some people who really know what they're doing. The gameplay that we are playing in this first round is called Nut House. I've obviously played it several times now, but I'll explain it. Our team's job is to hold Nut House for 45 minutes, and if we at all lose control of Nut House, even right at the end of the game, we lose. So that is very annoying, but whatever team holds Nut House at the end of 45 minutes wins. So I really hope you enjoy this. This is, like I said, my first time, so you know, Dan and I don't really know what we're doing here yet, but you know, we're very seasoned Airsoft players, so we adapt very quickly, and we do kick some serious butt. So I hope you guys enjoy the gameplay. I'm using my Matrix M4, and I do believe my 1911 GBB. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage. So let's get down to it. P.S. One last thing. This game is being held in honor of Caleb Billy Daigle, or Thurlow. This was his birthday today, so this game is held in honor of him turning, I do believe he was 16 right then. He's 17 now, but back then he was turning 16, so happy birthday, buddy, and I hope you had a good day.
Advance to the house. I'm moving. Okay, you cover that side. Dan, get in here. Go down there. What? Watch in there. Where? Just watch that side. Watch the window. Caleb, get in here. Watch that side. What? You take there, Ian. I got this. No, Ian. What's the matter, Dan? Sorry, man. Ah, it stinks. 45-minute long game, you better watch the ammo consumption. Hey, Dan, do you ever know where the respawn is? I think it's way back there. That stinks. Tell me about it. Hey, is there anyone here besides me and Ian? Who's that? Are you guys sure this is the Nut House? Would it be awkward if it wasn't? Is it? I think it is. Did everyone move on?
Okay, I have to interject right here. why Dan and I are kind of like wondering if this really is not house and if this is the objective, and like, wow, what a long round, is that because we're used to games that are max, and I mean max, 25 minutes long, and you'd pour through all your ammunition in 25 minutes, and we're using high cap mags. At that point, we're only carrying 5 magazines. We've upped our count up to 7 now, but we're used to games that are like max 25 minutes, and the objectives were fiercely fought over. I mean, like, you barely get to the objective and you're already pouring your ammo into other players. So that's why we're kind of not used to this. Also, that's why we stay at the objective the whole time. Like I said, other places the objectives were so fiercely fought over. You'd show up there and it was just like, you were there and you had to hold that there so hard because you had the entire other team trying to get you out of the objective. So that's why Dan and I and our friends are kind of second guessing ourselves right now. We're just like, man, this is really objective. Man, there's like no opposition to us right now. We're just like here, and there's no one, actually fighting us. So, just want to let you guys know, there's not a ton of action, but I'm gonna cut all the parts that seem too boring. So, just wanted to kind of tell you why we're kind of like, man, is this really, the place or not? So, let's get back to it.
Oh shoot! Hey Dan, stand by. Hey Dan, you with me, buddy? Yeah, because I hear gunfire, a lot of it. Getting close. Yeah, I know. Hear that gunfire? Hope we're not gonna get freaking flanked. Well, Caleb, you wanted an airsoft war. This is what it's like. It's pretty stressful. Guns working okay? Huh? What?
No! We're not purple!
Oh, come on, dude, lie. Yeah, Dan. That ain't gonna be good.
Are you coming from behind?
No, front. Watch out, Dan. He's hit. Got him, Dan. Thank you. My first kill of the day. Why? Dan, take my place.
No,
Caleb, where the heck? Oh, what's the matter? Are you yelling?
No.
Oh, okay. Guys, what are you guys yelling about? Who's in the nut house? Is this the nut house or not? Okay, well then you gotta defend it, guys. There's got a whole crap load of guys coming up this way. Whoa. I'm not a medic. Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Or we just got like a really awesome head start, or like you said, we're just something. What? Out of range. Oh, this guy coming there. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's a chipmunk, Dan. Hate all these trees. Okay, either these people just really stink at airsoft, or we just have like one heck of an advantage. I don't know. Can you see? It looks like they're just trying to like just kind of get some people. See that guy right there? Careful. He's like right next to that big tree. Yeah, you can never hit him. Careful. He's shooting at you.
Oh, he's on the ground.
Yeah, I don't see that.
Now I see him.
Oh yeah. Oh, fog wiper.
He's reloading.
you're never gonna hit him. Darn it.
Hey, Rep, how much time is left in this game?
Huh? Careful, Dan. Okay, they're making a push. Jeez.
Left side, Ian.
Yeah.